Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we're going to feature Reyes Barbecue Restaurant franchise business ideas. Reyes Barbecue was established by Mr. Francisco Frank Reyes of the famous culinary family of Manila. The Reyes culinary roots span more than 140 years. Frank's maternal grandmother was Engracia Asiang Cruz Reyes, the mother of Filipino cooking. After finishing mechanical engineering at De La Salle University in 1983, Frank joined his older sister in managing her franchise restaurants, and years later, acquired and managed his own aristocrat franchises in 3 Metro Manila malls. By the early 2000s, Frank began thinking of putting up his own food service brand, focusing the business on barbecue. By 2002, Frank registered his own brand name, Reyes Barbecue. With his own recipes, formulations, and operating manuals, he later on opened the very first Reyes Barbecue outlet at the SM North EDSA Food Court. Over the years, the Reyes Barbecue brand has been synonymous with high quality and superior tasting barbecue, appealing to young urban professionals, families, students, and even the older generation. Their mission: the Frank Reyes Group of companies exists to propagate the enjoyment of popular Manila comfort food in modern settings. The Frank Reyes Group of companies exists to provide education, employment, and entrepreneurial opportunities for individuals who share the founders' personal values. Their vision: they will be leaders in creating and profitably managing exciting food concepts that have the best of popular Manila food culture at its core. They will be known for simplicity, heritage, and innovation. They will leave a long-lasting legacy of respected brands that customers will enjoy from one generation to another. They will help shape the future of the Philippines by becoming a training ground for globally oriented, competent Filipino food service professionals. They will accomplish this through providing training as well as opportunities for education, employment, and entrepreneurship. The Reyes Barbecue products, along with the best-selling signature boneless chicken barbecue and the pork barbecue, Reyes Barbecue has been serving delicious, high-quality grilled seafood the whole year round, making it a cut above the rest of the fast, casual, and quick-service restaurants in the market. Their menus: the classics: boneless chicken barbecue, pork barbecue, chicken barbecue sticks, hamburger steak sizzler, chicken burger sizzler, and grilled liempo. Seafoods: grilled pusit, grilled bangus, pork or chicken barbecue plus grilled bangus, and grilled tuna. For the Java rice bowls: pork teriyaki, Hawaiian chicken, beef bulgogi, garlic longanisa with egg, and beef tapa with egg. For the noodles, they have pancit luglog solo with 12-ounce regular drink, pancit luglog solo 1-piece pork or chicken barbecue, pancit luglog solo with 12-ounce regular drink plus 12-ounce regular drink, and pancit luglog large. For the sides, they offer sizzling pork sisig, 1-piece pork barbecue, 1-piece chicken barbecue, chicken gizzard, chicken tail, pork wrap chicken liver, chicken macaroni soup, sotanghon soup, molo soup, and chili cheese sticks. For the desserts, they offer ubi queso and bakapuno langka. They also offer party packages. Celebrate your milestones in any of their dine-in stores, whether it's a birthday, anniversary, christening, baptism, wedding, promotion, send-off, or any other special day. They can do a buffet or serve individual meals. They also offer bulk orders. Try their barbecue meal packages which they can customize to your needs. Allow them to serve your event participants a healthy, delicious, and high-quality meal. For the franchise packages. Package number 1, Dine-In Store. The franchise fee is worth 2 million pesos plus 12% VAT. The approximate initial investment, which includes franchise fee, is worth 2.8 million pesos. The approximate total investment is around 7 million to 8.5 million pesos. And the franchise term is 7 years. For the franchise package number 2, the food court store. The franchise fee is worth 1.5 million pesos plus 12% VAT. The approximate initial investment, which includes franchise fee, is worth 2.3 million pesos. And the approximate total investment cost is worth 4.8 to 5.8 million. And the franchise term is 4 years. For the contact details, you may contact Frank Reyes Group of Companies with the address 135 F. Manalo, corner Colonel Ver Streets, San Juan, Metro Manila, Philippines. You may call them with the telephone number 0275-760304. You can send them an email at inquiry@reyesbarbecue.net. You can also visit their website at www.reyesbarbecue.net. You can also visit their Facebook page at Reyes Barbecue. For the franchising benefits, number 1, there is a high success rate due to its business model rather than starting from scratch. Number 2, Reyes Barbecue is a recognized brand or trademark that can guarantee you with success. Number 3, financing that may come from various sectors may be availed easily when putting up a good reputation franchise like Reyes Barbecue. And lastly, number 4, a franchisee may also secure a huge profit when success formulas are met, such as low cost, supplies, proper placement, and good marketing techniques. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Reyes Barbecue Restaurant franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.